What is that? Oh my gosh, I can't pirate submerge. Forest has changed.
Why is it so nice? Oh, just saying.
Oh,
What's up?
what is it? It's a rock. Oh.
Can someone
Go back it up.
Drop it.
in there at the same time?
Wait, I want to see if the volcano literally just
This is like
erupts on the bottom.
Put all of it.
Are we gonna have to add rocks to make the fire burn?
Yeah.
What is going on?
You have to move. We can't put it in.
Guys,
Just hits you. It's
went
a
right
snow.
back just to get
It's just a
something
retext
from
of the
the
red.
It's
Oh
getting
shoot!
more
Oh
red.
shoot! It's erupting.
No, it's not.
It's becoming more
I thought
red.
it was.
Come on, monkeys. Make it fill up with lava. It's almost there.
It's there.
It's erupted.
It's officially there.
What's gonna come out?
Lava. Volcano.
Hey, you might want to run if you're doing that.
If you like living, then you should probably run away from it.
I'm safe in my house.
Oh, I love a runner now.
Holy cow, I'm drowning in lava. Oh, 51.
Let's make the lava go up more. So everybody come here.
It's not like the floor is lava with lava monsters. Guys, I think it's going back. It's moving a lot. I actually had an old mod like this.
Hi, Blue. I just want to be friends. Trust.
I know how to get on the map and I'm doing it. Where's Nigeria?
Trust, dude.
Okay, I need to touch that.
Guess my senses are heightened now.
Looking up on a skill chair. Nigeria!
How long does the lava last?
My name is number 15.
Because his name
Has Nigeria. Bro, you look so realistic. Have they added
This is oil.
because it looks
It's not realistic because it is real.
I want to rock. I want to rock.
Yo, you could throw the coal
Yeah,
at the board, at the target.
Yeah, I want to rock. I want to rock.
And there's
Still one more rock. I flooding. Guys, fill back up. Guys, fill back up with lava.
No.
Yes, that was well annoying. Alright, I'm getting on top of the map. Why? What will that do? Oh my god! Wait! I wanna be the... Alright. I wanna be the one that makes it. I'm doing it!
But everyone get in the volcano. Everyone get in the volcano.
Wait, doesn't that mean I'm doing it? I wanna make it!
Everyone get in the volcano.
We're gonna get tagged. It's erupting. It's erupting. No, run. Get ready. It's erupting.
Top of map now!
Yes.
I wanna see.
I survived long enough to avoid the lava.
It's purple. It's so much purple. Ooh. Who's coming?
I don't know if I can walk on lava or not.
Never mind, Peter.
Watch it be alright.
Out of everything.
I miss old fort. I'm guessing this is the forestry.
You got that button.
No!
I messed up.
Life is plastic.
It's fantastic.
But we are lava
If I go in the lava, would I become lava?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm talking to the normal.
Gotta get
Oh,
moving.
it would. That's cool.
Yeah, so in this water, I can water run.
Wait,
It is this water, but it's just water. It's water, but it only moves 4 minutes.